Winning go, Yellow Goose Ka from the outside, moving up by the release deceiving. Ace Conveyance on the further outside is high voltage, then comes Townsend in the middle, and moving over the outside, stay at home, Donori inside, in 7th position, Crystal Sprite, alongside tail to tail, seeing Lorky, and she's gorgeous, is running at the tail of the field, deceiving by about 2 lengths, then here comes High Voltage rushing up on the outside. Yellow Goose Ka is racing third by about 7 lengths. Then here comes Crystal Sprite. And at a far turn, deceiving by only a length and a half. High Voltage is on the outside. Yellow Goose Ka, Townsend as they race the final corner. Deceiving still the little High Voltage is on the outside. Yellow Goose Ka deceiving High Voltage moves up to grab the lead. It's now High Voltage deceiving Yellow Goose Ka. And finally, number 11, High Voltage deceiving Yellow Goose Ka. Close for 4th and 5th between Tail to Tail and Townsend for your Fenta.